we are here at the town hall. We're here to celebrate Matariki.
No te whiti no tata, no te whenua o te atua tātou. Aha koa no hea mai koe, ka whawhai tonu mātou mo.
Matariki for me is a great time to reflect. It's good to have a time to actually remember those that have gone by, and that's also a good time for rejuvenation, restarting, starting fresh and looking forward.
There's a star in the sky called Te Tahi o Pipiri. Pipiri means to come together, and Pipiri shines bright when Matariki is in the sky as well. So coming together, warming each other up, sharing stories, sharing waiata, and also be with my tamariki.
My goal and my purpose, no matter what I do, is to bring hope, life, healing and joy. And I feel like that fits the themes of Matariki.